Data distribution describes how the values in a data set are spread out or arranged. It shows how often each value or range of values appears in data. For example, some values might occur frequently while others appear rarely. So this helps us see patterns such as whether the data is centered around a particular value, whether it's spread out or evenly, or whether it has outliers, values that are much higher or lower than the rest. What is normal distribution? So normal distribution is kanang way nga ipakita nato how ang data kay na spread out. So if i-graph nato siya, mura siya bell-shaped curve like hump or mountain. Bell curve shape. Ang graph kay mosaka sa tunga, then mobagsak siya both sides. Mura siya bell or bukid nga naay peak sa center. Second is symmetric. Ang left o right side kapareha ra gyud, as in kung imuhang i-fold sa middle, mag-match gyud. And then the third is mean. Average na ara siya sa center. And then ang pinakataas nga point sa graph kay naa na sa mean or average. Most sa data naa sa duol sa mean. And then fourth is fewer values at the edges. Gamay na lang ang values sa kilid. Kung layo ka sa mean, either left or right, mas gamay na ang data points. So ang tail sa curve kay murag nagkaanam-anam o kanipis. Skewed distribution. Skewed distribution happens kung ang graph is dili siya symmetric, meaning one side sa tail mas taas or mas longer kaysa sa pikas. Tawag ani kay skewness, meaning asymmetrical ang data, mura siya kanang imbalance bitaw. Two types of skewed distribution. First, the right skewed, which is the positive, and second is the left skewed, which is the negative. Right skewed or positive. Ang tail mas taas or longer sa right side. Most sa data is naa sa left, pero naay few na taas kay ang value nga mas stretch sa graph padulong sa right. So example is, let's say nga lisod kay ang math exam. Kadaghanan sa class naka-score lang og 30 to 50, pero naay few nga kanang grabe ka bright, naka 90 or above. So kung i-graph nato siya, daghan ang score na naa sa left sa ubos. Naay tail nga mo stretch to the right, so mao na siya kaan gitawag nga right skewed. Left skewed or negative. Ang tail mas taas or longer sa left side. Most sa data is naa sa right, pero naa sa few nga gamay kaya og value nga mo stretch sa graph padulong sa left. So example is this time, super sign ang test. Kadaghanan sa students is naka 90 to 100. Pero naay pipila nga wala naka-study, so naka 20 or 30 lang. So kung ato siya i-graph, daghan kay ang scores nga naa sa right, which is sa taas. Pero naay tail nga mo stretch to the left, so mao na siya gitawag nato nga left skewed or negative.
So good morning everyone. We're tackling about the uniform distribution. So first, what is uniform distribution? Uniform distribution in a statistic is a probability distribution in which every outcome is equal. That is, for each input, the probability of that input is identical. So here's the example. The value of a particular distribution are uniformly distributed between 6 and 11. Find P7 more than X more than 10. The probability density function fx equal 1 over b minus a for a more than x more than b. So fx equals 1 over 11 minus 6 equals 1/5. So ang a na to is 6 and ang b na to is 11. So 6 minus 11 is equals to 5. So let's find the total area of distribution. The result must be 1. So mao na siyang na 1/5. So let's find the P7 7 more than x more than 10 equals to 3, 5 divide 3 over 5 3 divide 5 is equals to 0.6. So asa man nato nakuha si 3? So ato magipangita is 7 and 10. So 7 minus 10 equals 3. Una siyang na 3. Ang 5 is diri na siya gikuha sa A and B. So ang A na to is 6 and ang B na to is 11. So 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. And gi-divide na to siya to 3 divided 5 is equal to 0.6. So I hope you learned something. So second, bimodal distribution. So first, what is bimodal distribution? Bimodal distribution has two peaks by the context of continuous probability distribution. Modes are peaks in the distribution when the peaks have unequal heights. The high peaks the major mode and the lower is the minor mode. So what is bimodal distribution? Bi is 2, modal is mode. Mode is the most frequently repeated value in a set. So example is 1, 2, 7, 7, 10, 11, 7, 7. So what is the most repeated value? Is 7. So sa statistics, there are two things. Ang central tendency of dispersion. The central tendency, the measure of central is the middle. The dispersion, the measure of the dispersion is the left and right, the position and the negative. So, mano siyang dispersion and the central tendency. To measure the central tendency is we use the mean, median, and mode. To measure the dispersion is we use the range, standard deviation, and coefficient. So, for example, sa bimodal distribution is COVID-19. So, we calculate na to siya by year or age. So, pila ana igo sa COVID by year and age. So, pangitaon na to ang the frequently repeated value in a set. Like this. So, ang the most repeated value in a set is itong age by 5 to 30 and 30 to 60 years old. So there are two modes in a set. So I hope you learned something.